Hello class, I'm creating this video to answer a problem from the homework. So we're asked to find the probability of the indicated event if P of E equals 0.20 or 0.20 and P of F equals 0.50. And they tell us that P of E or F is equal to 0.55. So hopefully you've taken a look at this handout I have. It looks something like this. So we're trying to find the probability of the event E and F both happening. So here's P of E and F. You see we have P of E times P of F. Right, that was my first thought. Oh, I'm just going to simply multiply these two values to get P of E and F. But then you have to look closely, and it says this is if the events are independent. We don't know if these events are independent. So we have to use this formula up here, right? P of E or F equals P of E plus P of S minus P of E and F. So they tell us what P of E or F, they give us this value, right? The probability of event E or F happening is 0.55, so I can put 0.55 here. I can put in 0.2 here and 0.5 here and solve for this value. But I think you might want to add this to both sides of the equal sign and subtract E or F from both sides. So I kind of worked this out on a whiteboard to show you what it might look like. When I wrote this out, right, we were given these probabilities, and then from your handout right down here, I just rewrote this over here, and then I kind of did the math, right? If I want to get rid of this negative sign, I have to move this piece to the other side of the equal sign. And to get rid of this E or F, I have to subtract it from both sides of the equal sign. So that's why you see a negative P, E, or F. And this now becomes positive. I just switched both sides of these expressions on the opposite sides of the equal sign. And then I substitute, right? We were given that P, E, and F was 0.55. PE was the 0.2, PF was the 0.5 minus the 0.55. So we have to do this calculation, and let's just do it on my calculator. So 0.2 plus 0.5 minus 0.55, right? That's these values, the P probability of E plus the probability of F minus the probability of P or E or F. And I get 0.15. So let's go back to our problem, and we'll enter 0.15. And we check answer, and we get the good job. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.